Today the Tundra is getting a caliper replacement due to a stripped bolt. Support the jack with a jack stand. Remove the 2 bolts securing the caliper. Remove the 2 bolts securing the brake line. Clamp the brake line to prevent fluid from coming out. Detach the brake line from the caliper. Transferred all the clips and pads to the new caliper. Now put everything back. Torque the caliper bolts to 79 foot-pounds. Take the cover off the bleeding screw and loosen it to bleed any air out. Have someone press the brake.
Okay, pump. Okay, go. Keep pumping. Okay, keep pumping.
When all the air are out of the system, the fluid will stream out like this.
Okay, stop.
The brake caliper replacement is completed. If you learned something new, please subscribe for more DIY and outdoor content. And thank you for watching.